If you need to find articles to support your argument statement or any research that you're doing within kinesiology, the best place to start is the library. I know you can use Google and Google Scholar, but if you go through the library resources, you will have access to way more stuff because we use your student fees in order to pay for access to specific journals and other content. So I'm just going to come to the Find It box, which searches a lot of our databases all at once. And I'm going to put in the search terms, children's, always helps if you can type, children's rights, sport. You'll notice that I put quotation marks around children's rights. It's because I want to search the phrase. I don't want to search just the single word right or the single word children. I'm looking for that particular phrase and concept. Then I'm going to hit Find It. It's going to ask me to log in using my UFE email address and password. And if you're off campus, you're going to have to use multi-factor authentication, so have your telephone handy. And then you'll see I have a large list of different articles. There's over 16,000. And when I scroll down, you'll see there's little icons that show me what type of content there is. So ebooks, academic journals, periodicals. Periodicals are usually newspapers, fairly easy to read articles. Over to the left, you can limit on scholarly peer-reviewed, which then restricts the results to journal articles. So this is probably where you're going to start. You'll notice also that at the top, I haven't put anything like pros and cons or for or against, because often when you actually look at the article, they will talk about those opinions, the views that people take on the particular topic you're deciding to research. Over on the left, if I scroll down, you can see that I can limit to date. I can limit to resources. I'm not going to tick the academic journals box because I've already done that by selecting scholarly peer-reviewed. And if I want to limit to Canada, I'll go to geography. So I'll click on that. You'll see the list of results. Loads of different countries are listed. I'm going to click on Show More, and hopefully Canada will be there. Then I hit Update, and you'll see that our results list has gone down significantly, but I still have 57 different articles I can look at that can possibly talk about children's rights within Canada, the responsibility that parents and coaches have towards pushing their children perhaps too much to achieve in sport or helping them with their challenges if the competition gets too tough. All those different types of concepts. If we go up again, we can remove Canada from the search. And then if I scroll down, I can click on subject, and it will give me other words that I can possibly search. So I've already searched children's rights, but maybe I'd like to think about the child welfare. And then, and I noticed that it talks about youth. So maybe I'll like those two topics, and I can select them and then look at the different results I have. All of this will help you get more specific, hopefully finding more articles that are interesting to you. Because if they're interesting, then you'll be excited, and your conviction and attitudes will come through when you do your presentation or when you're writing. finally, you'll notice that there are some articles that are in a different language. If I click on language, I can limit to English, just in case you don't want to read other languages. It is really important when you're looking at research that you look for research that covers different points of view and both sides of the argument. That will help you present your idea much better because you'll know what everybody out there is thinking, and it will come across in your presentation or your written work.